안녕하세요. I'm An Cha-ki, your host for Let's Speak Korean. 지승현 선생님, 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 지승현입니다. Hope you will have another interesting lesson with us. 만나서 반갑습니다.
Now, in our last lesson, we learned how to use the word 보다 to compare two things, remember? Now, let's get a quick review now. 선생님 is wearing a red jacket, and so I'm going to ask her, 빨간색 좋아해요?
네, 빨간색 좋아해요. 그렇지만 빨간색보다 파란색을 좋아해요.
I see. Now, I've noticed that you're quite a good dresser.
Thanks.
Do you usually go to department stores to shop?
No, not really. Department stores are too expensive, so I prefer shop at Dongdaemun Market. They have more, affordable things.
Well, you'll have to show me where to go.
Sure.
All right. Okay, well, in this lesson, we're going to learn how to ask someone to do us a favor, just like I asked 선생님 to tell me where to go. All right, then let's take a look at the clip first.
이거 어때요? 마음에 들어요. 그럼 이걸 사요. 얼마예요?
23,000원이에요.
너무 비싸요. 좀 깎아주세요.
2만 원 주세요. 선물할 거예요?
네, 선물할 거예요. 그러니까 예쁘게 싸주세요.
Now, Naomi and Suji have picked out a bag. Now, it seems that the bag cost 23,000 won. And they asked the shop assistant for a discount. The shop assistant agrees to sell it at 20,000 won. The women say that it is going to be a present and they need to have it gift wrapped, right? All right, then, let's get a check of the expressions in this lesson. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to use the expression 주세요 to ask someone for a favor. Now, before we go any further, let's go over some of the new vocabulary that we will need to learn the expressions.
싸다. 싸다. 포장하다. 포장하다. 깎다. 깎다. 넣다. 넣다. 보이다. 보이다.
We're going to take a look at how the expressions are used in the clip.
너무 비싸요. 좀 깎아주세요. 너무 비싸요. 좀 깎아주세요. 네, 선물할 거예요. 그러니까 예쁘게 싸주세요. 네, 선물할 거예요. 그러니까 예쁘게 싸주세요.
Naomi says that the bag is too expensive and she asks for a discount. How does she say this?
좀 깎아주세요.
She says, 좀 깎아주세요, right? And Suji asks for the bag to be gift wrapped nicely. Now, how was this said in Korean?
예쁘게 싸주세요.
That's right. She says, 예쁘게 싸주세요. Now, both the expressions 깎아주세요 and 예쁘게 싸주세요 contain the phrase 주세요. Now, 선생님, when do we use 주세요 and when do we use 주세요?
Well, both are requesting form the listener do something for the speaker or a third person. Whether we use 주세요 or 주세요 depends whether the final vowel sound in the verb stem. In case of the verb ends in 하다, we have to use 해주세요. Okay, let's check it out more details. If the verb stem ends with the vowel sounds or o, we use 주세요. While for the rest of the vowels, we use 주세요. In addition, if the verb ends in 하다, then we use 해주세요.
Let's use the words that we learned earlier to get some practice. Please follow along with 선생님.
싸다. 싸주세요. 깎다. 깎아주세요. 넣다. 넣어주세요. 보이다. 보여주세요. 포장하다. 포장해주세요.
Let's practice asking for a favor using the expression 주세요.
예쁘게 싸주세요. 너무 비싸요. 좀 깎아주세요. 책 좀 가방에 넣어주세요. 이 시계 좀 보여주세요. 예쁘게 포장해 주세요.
So when you want to ask a favor of someone for yourself or a third person, all you have to do is add 주세요 to the stem of the verb. Please don't forget this. It's time for some extra expressions. Now, the shop assistant asks 선물할 거예요 to Naomi when she picks out the bag, right? Now, this is asking whether the bag is a gift, right? The word 선물하다 means to give a gift. Right, why don't you try it for yourself?
선물할 거예요? 선물할 거예요?
To this question, 수지 says, 네, 선물할 거예요. 그러니까 예쁘게 싸주세요. Right? The word 그러니까 here means so or therefore. Now, it means the same thing as the word 그래서, now which we have already learned in a previous lesson, but we have to use the word 그러니까 instead of 그래서 when we are saying a command or a request. Now, let's try saying this.
네, 선물할 거예요. 그러니까 예쁘게 싸주세요. 네, 선물할 거예요. 그러니까 예쁘게 싸주세요.
Now then, let's go over what we have learned so far along with the clip, now one by one. So please pay attention to what is going on and please follow along.
이거 어때요?
이거 어때요?
마음에 들어요.
마음에 들어요.
그럼 이걸 사요.
그럼 이걸 사요.
얼마예요?
얼마예요?
23,000원이에요.
23,000원이에요.
너무 비싸요. 좀 깎아주세요.
너무 비싸요. 좀 깎아주세요.
2만 원 주세요. 선물할 거예요?
(2만 원) 주세요. 선물할 거예요?
네, 선물할 거예요.
네, 선물할 거예요.
그러니까 예쁘게 싸주세요.
그러니까 예쁘게 싸주세요.
Let's take another look at the clip from the beginning, so please pay careful attention.
이거 어때요? 마음에 들어요. 그럼 이걸 사요. 얼마예요?
23,000원이에요.
너무 비싸요. 좀 깎아주세요.
2만 원 주세요. 선물할 거예요?
네, 선물할 거예요. 그러니까 예쁘게 싸주세요.
In this section, we are going to take a closer look at the vowel sound we. All right, it is a combination of the vowels u and e. Now, the original pronunciation of this sound is actually a very basic sound, u, but nowadays we tend to just pronounce it as we, right? Now, let's listen to how 선생님 pronounces it.
We.
This letter is pronounced as we. Now let's take a look at some of the words that contain this character we.
가위. 귀. 쉬워요.
It's goodbye for another edition of Let's Speak Korean. Now, in this lesson, we learned how to ask a favor of someone using the expression 주세요, as in 예쁘게 싸주세요. Right. I'm going to ask 선생님 for a favor now. 선생님, 가족 사진 있어요?
네, 있어요.
그럼 좀 보여주세요.
Well, I'm gonna show it to you later. Is that okay?
all right
이따가
then.
보여드릴게요.
All right. Okay, thank you. Well, that is all the time we have for now. Until next time, 안녕히 계세요.